I actually grew up in southern Michigan, so I'm not familiar to the area. I had left from Michigan to join the Army. That's where I enlisted from, and during that time the economy was a little more unstable, and there wasn't a lot going on when I came out. So I basically came out and followed work, and that led me to Columbus and now back up here. I had a medical background. Shortly after high school I was an EMT for a few years in a small town, and I seemed to do really well with it. It was difficult and everything like that, but it seemed interesting to me too, and I've not done really anything since then that had any sort of an excitement or that I just enjoyed doing. And I've always enjoyed working with people. I really like to help out. And it was just somebody that was in my life, might have been my lifelong family friend, just suggested one time, have you ever thought about being a nurse? I've held a full-time status between 13 and 15 credit hours each semester since I've started. And it does get rather overwhelming, but it's just easier to remind yourself to take care of each day. One thing, one class, one test, one day at a time. The nursing program, while I would recommend it, it's something that when you enter it, you have to be conscious of the fact that it is demanding. And you are going to have late nights, and you are going to be squeezing 26 hours in a day. If I could talk to a representative for the Rolling Thunder, I would like them to know that I really do appreciate their contribution. And it's not necessarily the financial side of the scholarship. Dealing with the stress and dealing with the time constraints and the deadlines. It just seems like you're always facing an obstacle, and you get to the point where you're fighting it. You feel like you're really fighting it alone. But when somebody does something to help contribute and move you forward, it just feels like somebody is on your side, has your back, instead of shoving something in your face. It just feels like there's a hand on your back helping you forward. So it was a lot more than just a financial contribution to me. Like I said, it could have been $5, it could have been $5,000. The impact was much further, much deeper than financial.